Let's make jerk pasta bread bowl. Okay, y'all, so we're getting ready to heat up the bread bowl and cook the bread bowl, but I made some garlic butter that I wanted to put around it. So basically it's in here just some garlic paste, salt, seasoned pepper, and butter. And then I have some fresh parsley that I'm gonna go ahead and stir in there. And then we will spread that on the bread bowl. So here I have the bread. And so basically I'm gonna make a circle, cut it around it in a circle. So you want your knife to be pretty sharp. You're gonna take the top off. See if I can get the top off, okay? And then you're gonna take out the middle part of it. And then I preheated my oven at 350 degrees. I just wanted to kind of get it a little toasty. Garlic butter, and we're gonna put some of it inside. So we're gonna brush some of it inside the cavity of the bread. Brush it inside, and then we're gonna brush it on the outside as well. Okay, y'all, so we're getting ready to make some jerk chicken. Well, I'm gonna season these chicken tenders with DivineKuizine's jerk rub, because we're gonna make some jerk chicken to go with this bread pasta bowl that we're getting ready to make. So I'm gonna season it up. So we have some garlic powder, some salt, you know, my favorite, seasoned pepper, Ocheria's complete seasoning, onion powder, and then we're gonna use the DivineKuizine jerk rub. And like I always say about the DivineKuizine jerk rub, you do it for your hotness, because this is pretty hot and spicy. So I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons in, but you do it, I'm gonna put about 3. But you can just use whatever your heat is, that's how much that you use on that. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil so it all will kind of adhere to everything. And then we're gonna go ahead, and I have chicken tenders, but you could use chicken breast or whatever, but I'm just gonna cook up some chicken tenders. You could do this ahead of time and then, you know, let it marinate overnight to really adhere to the flavors. But we're gonna make some pasta with this and put in the bread bowl. This is my first time having like a bread bowl, and I said, why not do this? This would be kind of cool to put the pasta in there, and then I got the bread, and we're gonna do some little garlic and parsley. So this should be good. And it looks like this all mixed up. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and like pan fry these, and then we'll start on our sauce for our bread bowl. Okay, y'all, so we're just gonna pan fry this. I'm gonna turn it down just a little bit. And then I'm gonna just let this go ahead and fry in here. But you could bake it, grill it. I'm just gonna get a nice little crust on it. So I have some colored peppers here. So we have, the green ones are jalapenos. You could use green pepper if you want to, but I use jalapenos. And then we have the rest of the colored peppers. I have a little bit of olive oil. We have red onions. We have some fresh garlic. Minced fresh garlic. Put this on medium to medium low heat. We just want them to kind of soften, but not too soft. Still be like a little al dente. And then we're gonna season our peppers. So I have a little bit of cayenne pepper, but not a lot, just like a pinch. Pinch of cayenne pepper. We have salt. Seasoned pepper, DivineKuizine sugar spice. This will give it a little bit of sweetness. So you're not gonna put a lot in here. Maybe a 2 teaspoons. Butter. Okay, so we sauteed all that around. Now we're gonna start putting our creamers in here to make sauce for the noodles. So we have some coconut milk. I'm gonna put a little bit of the jerk rub in here. DivineKuizine jerk rub. Have some DivineKuizine jerk sauce that we're gonna go ahead and put in here. So the rub is a little more spicier, and the jerk sauce, it has tamarind in it. It's a little sweeter. It still has a spice to it, but it's a little sweeter. We're gonna stir that all around. So this is kind of like a jerk pasta. It could even be like a rasta pasta. And then we're going to put some heavy cream to thicken it up a little bit. Put some heavy cream in here. Parmesan cheese. Mozzarella cheese. Italian blend cheese. Cheesy, spicy type sauce. We're gonna stir all this, and then we're gonna just let this thicken up and all the cheese melt, and then we're gonna go ahead and add our pasta, and then we'll make our bread bowl. Pasta in here. Make sure it catches, y'all. A lot can go in here, y'all. So this could be for 2 if you didn't want to eat it all by yourself. Now we're getting ready to review the jerk pasta bread bowl. And I've never had a bread bowl before, especially not a jerk pasta one, but you see how we use DivineKuizine jerk rub, DivineKuizine sugar spice, and DivineKuizine jerk sauce. So all 3 was used into this bowl. The pasta is nice and creamy. Pick up some of that chicken. 10 out of 10. It's spicy, it's sweet, it's light. It's good. 10 out of 10. It's good. It's spicy, it's sweet, so you get the spice from that jerk rub, and the jerk sauce is kind of got a hint of tamarind, so it's kind of sweet, spicy. Then you got the jerk, then you got the DivineKuizine sugar spice, where that was in the seasoned in the pasta. So then you got the kind of that sweetness from that. So you get the spice, the sweetness. I mean, it's just creamy. The bowl, I guess you could eat some of the bowl if you wanted to, you know, take some off like French bread and have your bread. This was easy. This was good. This was, your family would like it. A good presentation, you know, Valentine's is coming up. You can make, you know, 2 little jerk bowls or something like that. Have your like little drinks, or y'all can share it together. Good recipe. To get more recipes, go to DivineKuizine.com. If you're a YouTube fan, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know how you feel about this recipe or any more recipes that you would like to see. Love y'all. Shay.